Hi guys, it's Rami, and I'm back with another video, and this one's pretty cool. It uses TWEAKBOX again, like my other video with watching free movies, but this one is for Pokemon, and it's totally legal, and actually you can play whatever games you want. It's just an emulator. So all you have to do is go to Safari, go to TWEAKBOX if you don't already have TWEAKBOX, or TWEAKBOXapp.com, I'm sorry. Hit download app, do that, install the profile, and you can trust it. Go to TWEAKBOX. Go to apps. Oops, I forgot those annoying advertisements. Okay. I like the blonde vanilla latte, actually. It's new and it's really good. You guys should try it if you haven't. And I'm not even a fan of lattes. Okay, come on with the ads. Dude. Okay, this is ridiculous. Alright. Let's go to GBA for iOS. Install it. Hit install. Go to the home screen. It's going to install. There you go. Open that up. Up to you. I'm just going to say don't allow. Okay, so now you have it. Come on, there's even ads in this. Alright, so now to get the game. So this one's totally legal because it's not a real game. Just go to, just type in what you want. So I recommend this game. This one's really cool. Pokemon Glazed. No, not Glaxed. Pokemon Glazed ROM. Alright. So let's see this first one. Okay, download link. I normally use ROM's Mania if I'm going to go to a specific site, but I kind of like to just Google it. Okay, click here to download your ROM. So it's downloading. It shouldn't take very long. It's not that big of a file. Okay, so go hit more. Go over to copy to GBA for iOS. Yep, that's the one. Take a second to load up. Okay. And there it is. Hit new game. So this is probably the coolest thing about playing Pokemon games, especially on your phone. Just hit fast forward. Now look how quick it goes. The noise is really annoying when it does this though. So you just do this. Ooh, where's the mute button? Whatever. Could always just lower the volume. But yeah, so there you go. You can see that it's totally working and everything. So you can download whatever Game Boy game you want using that. But I definitely recommend Pokemon Glazed. It's really cool, and it's definitely a fun game. I've played it before. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope it helped you guys out. If you like the video, like it. If you don't, I guess you can dislike it. Comment though, and please subscribe if you like the video, and there's going to be more content coming out showing you guys little things like this, like the free movie thing, and then hopefully some other stuff on the way. Thanks for watching.